Hi, everybody. Today on Talking Timepieces, we're going to talk about the Dusseldorf watch show, Watch Time, and the Laco booth. The Dusseldorf Watch Show was quite a nice event, the largest watch show in Germany, in fact, and they even had a partnership with Lotus. I guess watch people and card people really are similar in a lot of ways. At the Laco booth, I was very, very lucky to get to talk to Uwe Rücker. He's the CEO of Laco. Unfortunately, we had some technical issues with the sound, so I'm not able to show you what we talked about, but I do have the images, the close-ups of the watches they had at the booth, so I figured you would want to see those. You can hear him in the first segment of the close-ups in the background. He's the background voice. We'll have to do another full interview another time so we can chat and let you all hear it.
Like the traditional pilot watches from World War II, they have an engraving on the opposite side of the crown, and there's the D-norm engraving.
Excellent. Bidirectional crown.
One part of D-norm is you have to handle the watch with gloves. And this time you can handle the watch with the glove on the plane.
Right. With gloves, it has to be. Yeah. You can handle that.
So the crown is
grippy. So here's the Atacama Quartz UTC GMT watch. It's a stainless steel case with a black PVD coating, and it's a Quartz Ronda 515-24 movement. It's got a flat sapphire crystal and a unidirectional rotating bezel. So here's the Cuxhaven Navy watch. It's available in 39 and 42.5 millimeter. It's really a sharp piece. It's like a reissue of a period design from the 40s. The 42.5 millimeter version has the Etta Unitas 6498.2, which is a really beautiful piece and takes really well to decoration. And the smaller models have the Salida SW 261 movement. And the nice thing about it is the 6 o'clock small seconds is just a little bit of a touch of sophistication. And this is the one. The Bremerhaven is the same as the Cuxhaven, except it's in beautiful black. And yeah, it's just a really nice looking piece, and it has all of the same features as the Cuxhaven, and they both have superluminova dials.